Chara habitat. It is found in water that contains excess amount of salts, i.e. calcium chloride, due to which it becomes somewhat hard, also called commonly as stonewort. Plant body. Plant's body is thallus, i.e. not differentiated into true roots, stem and leaves. Below the land, root-like structure called rhizoid are present. Above the land it has two types of branches, i.e. branches of unlimited growth and branches of limited growth. When seen through microscope it shows that sex organs called nucule, female structure, oval in shape, and globule, male structure, round in shape, are present at sides of the nodes. Above nodes are internodes. Sword-shaped leaves are also present between nucule and globule. It is meristematic in character. Reproduction. The reproduction takes place by vegetative and sexual methods. Asexual reproduction is not found. A. Vegetative reproduction. The vegetative reproduction takes place by three methods. A. By tubers and bulbils. The tubers are commonly formed on rhizoids or sometimes even on buried nodes. The whole structure is full of starch. Sometimes the globule divides and becomes multicellular and known as simple tuber. When the tuber appears on the node, some of the peripheral cells go on dividing and massive structure is developed. Each starch-filled tuber and bulbils may develop into a separate plant. B. By amylum or starch stars, the cells of some subterranean nodes become star-shaped and very much laid in by starch are called amylum stars. Each such structure develops into new plants. C. By secondary protonema, the protonema-like outgrowths comes out from a node. Each such outgrowth is capable to develop into a new plant. B. Sexual reproduction. Chara has special reproductive structures: globule, male reproductive structure nucule, female reproductive structure chara. Globule. Globule is surrounded by 8 shield cells. From each cell an outgrowth, actually ingrowth moving inwards, is formed called manubrium. The tapering end of manubrium divides into 2 rounded bodies called primary capitulum. Each primary capitulum further divided into 2 rounded bodies called secondary capitulum. In some species, secondary capitulum divides into tertiary capitulum. Each capitulum has ability to give rise to filaments that continuously grow and form antherodial filament, which is the male structure of chara, i.e. contains male gametes or antherozoid. It develops 2 flagella to move in water. It matures earlier than the female structure, but exceptions are present. Nucule. Nucule is oval in shape. It has egg in center called oosphere. This is surrounded by tube cells that form corona-like structure on the tapering end. Process of fertilization. When nucule matures, it open like flower and antherozoids move towards it, only one able to do fertilization. When antherozoid comes in touch with egg it again closes, only one antherozoid is captured inside for fertilization. Inside, plasmagamy and karyogamy takes place, by which zygote is formed. Then meiosis takes place, as a result of which 4 nuclei are formed. Only one becomes active and other 3 denatures. The one nucleus which was active divides into 2. One moves in soil and one outside the soil. Reproduction.